back to Basshead Garage. Today we are going to be putting on a new fuel pump, a mechanical fuel pump. We are not converting Little Blue to an electric fuel pump yet. Not yet. Too expensive right now. So yeah, and we're gonna do that. I just want to quickly show you guys. It's not really the main priority of the video, but I'm trying to figure out all the mess of wires. I was looking in one of those in these, like these little things right here. It's basically that. It's just some sort of heat shrink type of thing. Basically all four wires are connected together, so I thought they were separate. So there's what I know of this kind of vehicle. But anyways, thing cranks over still have power to the key, which is nice. And oh yeah, and if the video sounds a little bit the buzzy or something like that, we do have the media mod, as you guys saw in the last video when we were doing on the F1 Shitty. Don't know why I keep calling that, but anyways, cranks over. I'm gonna pull off the air filter thing and dump some fuel down and see if it fires up. If it does, I'm gonna heat shrink everything together. I'll try to do some more wire management on this though, because like, look at this is way too long for what we need. Yes, I don't have the horn hooked up right now because I don't need it. Yes, yeah, let's hook up, actually see if this thing actually fires off. If it does, we're going to try out this new fuel filter, because this one apparently it doesn't work. So let's put this new fuel filter on. Okay guys, I was messing around with wiring and it wasn't starting for some odd reason, and I think I figured out. I'm not too sure. I have I want to say some sort of negative from the alternator going here. This right here is the fuse link, the pink wire. Then we got the whatever these go to here, the black and yellow, they go somewhere inside the cab. But right now it starts up, which is nice. Now we're just going to start replacing that. So let's do it. Well, as you guys saw, that the fuel pump actually works, which is actually really nice. It actually started sucking up, and actually it did leak a little bit because this little fitting down here wasn't tight enough. And well, everything works now. Still messing around with the wiring for that. I know where the red wire goes. It goes to the voltage meter inside the cluster. That's where that goes. And as of right now, it starts off, you guys can see, it would idle if I had some quick start fluid to get it, to get it going. And it probably would idle. It actually pulls fuel from this to there. So we're all good there. And well, that's gonna be it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more of content on this truck. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hi guys, welcome to the bonus clip, you could say, because this video is a little on the short side. I just wanted to show you guys what we might have to do again. It turns out that my either head gasket is leaking, which I hope not, or the valve cover gasket is leaking, which I wouldn't put it past, because I hate those gaskets. I'll put a thing up there. But anyways, up there, I'm not too sure. Up to the gasket video. I hate them. I don't want to use them ever again. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys on what I'm talking about, and maybe you guys can help me out, because it's either, I know it's not cylinder head, the valve cover gasket is leaking because it is coming from there. I'll show you guys right now. Okay guys, as you can see, it is leaking from right there, which is the cylinder head, and up there. Turn on my flashlight. You can see it's leaking, and I'm not too sure if that's because you can see back up there is also leaking, so it might be because of that. I am so not gonna buy those gaskets anymore. Those rubber ones, screw those rubber gaskets. Anyways, help me out, because I don't know if that is leaking or if it's just because of that. So guys, I don't know. Probably both of them are leaking. Just redo both. That's what I'm thinking, redo both of them. I really don't want to pull the heads, because that means I gotta pull the intake, and the intake means I gotta take off the intake, which means I gotta take off the carb, which means I gotta unhook the carb, which means I gotta blah 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 blah. So I really don't want to do it again. Either I'm actually gonna go back and rewatch the video where I did the head gaskets and stuff, see if I even put it on right. I'm gonna go do that, and hopefully I did. But anyways guys, that's gonna be the end of this bonus clip. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more of this awesome truck. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully not the video replacing the gaskets, because I really don't want to do that. But if it has to be done, it has to be done. So with that, I'll see you guys in the next video.